to Learn My channel. Today's video is about integers and identify the real-life situation that make use of it. Let's start. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Integers are positive and negative numbers. Positive integers are greater than negative integers. Integers can be represented on a number line, which can help us understand the value of integers. Start from 0, which separate the positive and negative integers. And 0 is a neutral. It's neither positive nor negative. Number, the right of 0 are positive integers with positive signs. Since wala po siyang makikitang positive sign sa number, ibig sabihin po sa integers ay positive po siya kung wala siyang sign na plus. So example is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and so forth. So continuous po yung kanyang number since may arrow po siya. Ibig sabihin ay continuous yung number. The numbers to the left of 0 are negative integers with minus sign. The example is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so forth. So, infinite din po. Ibig sabihin, walang katapusan yung number niya. Since yung nandito lang po ay makikita yung negative 11, continuous po siya. Negative 12, and so forth. Okay. Next, opposite number. What are opposite integers? The opposite of a number is the number that is the same distance from 0 in the number line. For example, the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. Okay. Because the distance from 0 to negative 4 is the same as the distance from 0 to positive 4. Positive integers are greater than negative integers. So, start po dito sa 0. So, kanina, sinabi natin na ang positive integers ay mula po dito. Yan. Positive po siya. So, may plus sign. So, kung nakikita niyo wala siyang plus sign, ibig sabihin naman po niyan ay positive. Positive 1, positive 2, 3, positive, and so forth. Okay. So, integers or positive integers are greater than negative integers. So, ibig sabihin po, mas malaki po yung number ng positive kaysa dito sa negative integers. So, negative po yan. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang number, sa whole number, alam naman natin na pagka nag-compare tayo ng whole number, yung number po dito sa 1, palaki na ng palaki siya mula papunta dito sa right side niya. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung 1, mas maliit po siya sa 2. So, 2 is greater than 1. So, sa math, pag nagko-compare tayo, ginagamit natin ang greater than, less than, or equal. So, ibig sabihin, kung sa positive, kung compare natin yan, mas madali dahil sanay na po tayo dyan pag nagko-compare. For example, 10 is greater than 2. So, alam natin kung alin yung maliit na number dyan at malaking number. So, kung yung number mula sa 0 hanggang sa number na 11, hanggang dito, kasi hanggang dito lang nakikita nating number, pero continuous po yan because of this arrow. So, mas palaki ng palaki yung number niya, palaki rin ng palaki yung value ng number. Okay. So, from left, ito naman po, sa number na to, kung ito'y palaki ng palaki yan, ibig sabihin, pag binalik natin po siya, kung babalik natin to, paliit na siya ng paliit. Yan. Next, hanggang po sa negative. So, paliit po ng paliit yung number or yung value ng number. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, positive integers are greater than negative integers. Okay po. So, for example, negative 11 compared natin sa positive 1, mas malaki po ang positive 1. So, negative 11 is less than positive 1. Kahit ano pong number na negative, at i-compare natin dyan sa 1, o kahit na anong number sa positive integers, mas malaki pa rin po ang positive integers. Basta meron siyang sign na positive, or kung wala man siya, example is 10 compared to negative 1. Since wala siyang sign, ibig sabihin po niyan ay positive. So, 10 or positive 10 is greater than negative 1. Okay po. Next, identify real-life situation that make use of it. So, ito po yung example ng picture. So, sea level. So, ito po makikita nyo yung sea level. So, dito po mag-i-start yung 0. Okay. Since 0 siya, and then makikita natin dito, 155 meter below sea level. So, ibig sabihin po ng below, pababa po siya. So, nagre-represent po yan ng negative. So, yung 155 meters below sea level ay negative 155 meters. Tandaan niyo po pagka below. Next po, makikita dito ay 1,025 meter above sea level. So, kung above siya, pataas naman po siya. So, ibig sabihin po, kung above siya, magre-represent naman siya ng positive. Yung word na above. So, positive 1,025 meter. Okay. Next po. So, example, the bird flies height of 50 meters above zero altitude. So, ito pong zero altitude, dito po mag-i-start. Since yung sa ibaba niya, pag below na siya ay negative, at kung sa taas naman po ay positive. So, magre-represent na po siya ng positive 50 meters. Yan, 50 po siya. Next, so, thermometer or temperature. So, makikita natin yung sa thermometer, ito po yung 0 niya. So, start po dito. And then, sa pagkababa, ibig sabihin below, yan, below 0. Okay. So, below 0, makikita natin dito negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, and so forth. Then, kung above 0 naman po siya, kung above, positive 10 na po yan. Wala naman po tayo makikitang sign na positive, but positive po siya. So, positive 10, positive 20, positive 30, positive 40. So, tatandaan nyo po yung above 0 and below 0. Example po is, the temperature was 20 degrees above 0 during the day. So, yung pong above 0, 20 degrees above 0, magre-represent po siya ng positive 20 degrees. Okay, next po. Oymyakon in Russia's Sakha Republic is officially the coldest permanently inhabited place in the world, with a January average of 46.4 degrees below zero. So, since below zero po, ibig sabihin po niyan ay negative 46.4 degrees. Okay po. Next po, yan, upstairs. He walked upstairs to change his clothes. So, pag sinabing upstairs, he walked upstairs, positive po siya. Okay? Next is downstairs. Yan. Kung bababa po siya, magre-represent naman po siya ng negative. Okay, so up and down lang naman po. Up, positive, down is negative. Okay, next. Okay, so riding an elevator. Okay, he rode the elevator to second floor. So, nakikita naman yung arrow pataas. So, kung nasa ground floor siya at punta siya ng second floor, so ibig sabihin po niyan ay positive po. Okay. Another example, okay, going down, elevator. He took the elevator down. So, kung down po siya, ibig sabihin ay negative po. Okay po? Okay. Next, sample exercise. Write the integers for each. Okay. So, number 1, debt of 1,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, debt, utang po, bayarin. So, ibig sabihin, kung may utang, negative po siya. Negative 1,000 pesos. Okay. Next po is 35 meters above sea level. So, above po, above sea level, pataas. So, positive 35 meters. Next po, 10 floors up. So, the word up, yan. May mga keywords naman po siya. So, magiging positive 10. Then, lost 10 pesos. Lost, yan, nawalan siya, kaya negative po siya. Negative 10 pesos. And then, 15 degrees below 0. So, below, sabihin po ay negative 15 degrees. Next po, give the opposite integers. Yan. The opposite of negative integers is positive 10. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung ano lang yung katapat niyang number ng negative sa positive, yun po ang opposite niya. Kasi magkasing haba sila o magkasing layo sila mula sa 0 hanggang sa negative 10 at 0 hanggang positive 10. And then 8, since wala siyang positive sign, o kung ano mang sa ibig sabihin po niyan ay positive. So, yung opposite po niya ay negative 8. Then, 450, positive po ito, magiging negative 450. Then, negative 15, opposite is positive 15. Then, positive 34, opposite is negative 34. Okay, next po. Which temperature is colder? Negative 10 or positive 10? Since pag negative siya, below 0 po yan. Okay? So, kung below 0, ibig sabihin, mas mababa po yan. So, which temperature is colder? So, ito po ang mas colder. Next, which is greater? Negative 7 or positive 1? Okay, so kanina, naipaliwanag ko na mas malaki ang positive kesa sa negative. Since this is negative and positive, so ito po ang greater. Which elevation is higher? 245 meters or negative 345? So, elevation, ibig sabihin, kung may sa sea level, alin po yung mas mataas? 245 meters or negative? Since positive po ito po yung higher. Which is lower? Negative 2 or negative 12? Ayan, alin kaya ang mas lower? So, ang lower po ay negative 12. Okay? So, mas malaking number sa negative, mas mababa ang kanyang value. Which temperature is higher? 27 degrees or 31 degrees? So, positive. So, higher po ay 31 degrees. Okay, that's okay, yan lang po. Thank you. Okay, ito po yung ibang mga words o mga keywords na maaari nating magamit o makita kung positive or negative po siya. So, pwede nyo pong i-post yung video para mapag-aralan po yung mga words. Ilan lamang po ito, marami pa pong iba. Thank you po.